Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to redeem offer code and Remitly. So friends, open your Remitly account and log in your account. After that, go to this section welcome, and from here go to redeem your offer. You can redeem your offer code guys through this option as you can see here on the screen, and then write your offer codes. So guys, for example this offer code, and click just apply for your offer. This is not valid guys, it is just for example. If you want to learn all about your offer code, click this one, and then you will see this about offer codes guys. You can redeem and you can get offer codes through your email from your details, and you can find offer codes through in ads on televisions or billboards on radio or this. And this is how you can do guys to redeem. Just go to my welcome here and click redeem code, and from here you can redeem your offer code easily without any problems from this section. So friends, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and share this video for more content. Here you can redeem your section for codes.